So what we're doing here is we're putting gypsum powder through a regular fiberglass insect screen, showing how dust and pollen gets through a regular screen. And as you can see, it just falls right through. So that's what comes into your home when you open your windows: pollen and dust. With the AllergyGuard screen on this side, this is what comes through. So you have this with the AllergyGuard versus that with the regular fiberglass screen. This blocks 80% of smoke, 90% of all pollen, 99% of all insects. AllergyGuard screens by Skinner's Custom Screens.